What up, guys? What up? What up? What up? Alright, let's get this all ready. 1 second. Oh, amazing. Beautiful, beautiful. One second of you, just getting everything sorted, and then we'll carry on our way. Yeah.
Good morning, man.
Morning.
How are you?
Not too bad, not too bad. How are you?
Yeah, good.
Lovely, lovely. Morning, everyone. Congratulations on 1K. Oh, thank you. Yeah, amazing. Big time now. Right, I get all this here. Beautiful. So yeah, welcome to the stream, guys. It is going to be a lovely morning. Wow, look at this reacting off this level over here. First of all, what do we do in the morning? We check news straight away. So let's just do this. Let's check the news. So today, we have no news for GBP, so that's good. USD, we have some later on, so that'll be interesting.
Yeah.
Wanted to talk a little bit about a gold trade, which I was so tempted to put into the mentorship last night, but I didn't. Not last night, last morning. And it was here. Oh no, it wasn't. 1 second. Here. 245 closing back down. Top wick formed 245, and then getting a closure on the 5 minute, which was here. Like right on this one, 3 o'clock. Was tasty. Smash TP. I was aiming to hit these lows, so I look left. Sorry, let's look at the higher time frames. Hit these lows and to continue. Just look on the left hand side over here. Oh, you can't see anything. There, here. Just the zone I was looking. I was actually looking for 1724 was what I was looking at, and it tapped that. So beautiful. And GJ was nice yesterday as well. Hi guys, I know you all missed me. I'm back. Where you been, bro? Wicked. So, morning, Andrea. Morning. We're just filling up over here. We're gonna do a fresh analysis. Looks like news is okay for us, so we'll do a fresh one over here. I'm gonna do it on a wander this time because I keep on. There you go. Righty ho. So let's start from the higher time frames like we always do. Let me do an Instagram. Where the fuck's my phone at? There. Today is my last day on my aggressive challenge account before I get my elite count. Just came to hear the FT banter. Well, you're not getting an elite count because it fucking they're shagging it off, aren't they? Let me just do Instagram. Yeah, very, very bad from Fulham Town. Not happy with them at all. I mean, it hasn't affected me directly, but them just changing it in the middle of a month. That's fucking pathetic. But anyway. We are live now on YouTube. Let's go, let's go. Make sure to come, and I'm going to be breaking down GJ right now, so come and have a look. Beautiful. So, flex accounts were unaffected by the announcement. Yeah, I know, that's what mine was. Yeah, but you said today's my last day on my aggressive challenge, so you lose it, don't you? Yeah, Max, 1K, bro. Flip next level, lad. Yes, sir. So, 12 likes, amazing already. Let's go, let's go. So, let's take a look at what we're looking at today. So, GJ was very bearish yesterday. At the moment, it is bullish, but it looks like it's making maybe a top wick. Ponzi money is running out. They have to change the program. Yeah, that's stupid. Did you watch the game? Ronaldo to the rescue. Yes, sir. I watched that game. Oh, you're on flex aggressive. Oh, beautiful. That's okay then. Yeah, Ronaldo scoring as usual. Ah, beautiful. Oh, Bruno caught a nice trade in gold. Yeah, I think I saw this gold sells just before I woke up. I was like, ooh, they are tasty. So here is the 4-hour flip, which it looks like it's going to be doing. It has exceeded the low of the previous already, which isn't the best sign, but we move. Looks like it is making some support now. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4 4-hour candles bullish. So where am I looking at here? Let's look at the hourly, 30 minutes. You can see we have resistance at this level, 156.20. So for me, I'm going to be looking for buys above this zone over here. That'll be fine because the 4-hour and the daily at that time will be bullish. 156.19. Beautiful, beautiful. Do you trade in your own account or funding? I trade on both actually. And I've just got this. I use social trader tools to do that. It's like a little thing, program that you can do. And yeah. So let's look at for the lows. For me, I want to look for sells. It's a bit choppy around at this area, so I'm actually just going to be looking for sells below this zone over here, which would be nice because there's too many wicks to the downside here. I want a closure below 150.085. Beautiful. Do you have copy trader or something like this? Yes, it's called social trader tools. It's just a software that you pay monthly for, and it just does it for you. Yeah. And which prop you trade would you recommend? Well, the one that I used to use now has been lying out of their teeth, so not too happy with them at the moment. So I'll have to do some more research, more YouTube videos to come. May try an FTMO one or whatever. But yeah. So yeah, just waiting over here, looking quite good. Just waiting for some closures above and below. Looks like it made support right at this zone. You can see there is a little support over here, right at that level. Right down here as well. So it's nice. Reacted off this zone and starting to come up. Nice. Yeah, Ronaldo scored in the last minute, man. Told you, Ronaldo always turns up, man. Caught a nice trade in gold. Right, let's take a look at this trade gold from Bruno before we analyze it ourselves. Let's start an FTMO and post daily results. Yeah, very true. It'll be great for people. Yeah, we could do that. We could do that. Right, so let's take a look at Bruno over here. Bruno. There we go. Oh, so gold spot. This is on the 50-minute time frame. Clean traffic on the 1-hour time frame. Top wick formation on a daily candle. Previous day was strong bearish. Entered a sell once price broke its own low with a small risk. 90% of the trade closed. A small one left at break even. Beautiful. Nice. To the next zone. That was clean, Bruno. Nice. Yeah, we'll take a look at gold over here, but that looked like a nice move. My FOREX funds had traffic issues today due to so many people switching over. Holy shit, really. I want to start one too. Beautiful, yeah. Well, I think FTMO will be pretty good. I'll have to see some other ones, but the best fund is your own funds, unfortunately. It makes it a lot easier if you just trade your own. So if you can trade your own, just trade your own. So let's take a look at gold over here. We're going to do gold from the high time to the lower. Ooh, it doesn't have a bottom wick. Oh, that's nice. So I like that because we know 85% of the time we're going to be making it. Giveaway at what time? I'm going to do the giveaway on tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to do the giveaway. 3 magic keys. So yeah, that'd be pretty fire. So this is the daily flip over here. 4-hour. Nice. 4-hour flip. Beautiful. Where is it? There we go. Nice. So we got a zone over here. It's currently bearish right now for the 4-hour and also the daily is. But as we said again, through Asian it normally relaxes. Normally comes up, chills a bit, and then towards the towards the London win, maybe get a little push, and then through NY it'll finish it off. It'll do the finishing move from Mortal Kombat. Finish him, and then it'll go woof, like this candle did over here. We got a closure below, so yeah, sells for me on gold are the only thing I'm going to be looking at today. And to be honest, it looks pretty good to continue down already. Just this 5 minute though, it's made a little support on this zone, right about here. So where can I probably get sells? Let's take a look over here in the 5-15 minute. So if we got sells below here to come back, that's 29 pips. It's quite a nice range. If we do get a closure below 17.29, I may look for sells over here. Below 17.29.38. I think that'll be a good option. Then come down, and then where can we fill? Well, we've got targets all the way down to the bottoms over here. We also have the first target, which will be right around these wicks, this wicks level. So yeah, kind of break even around about this zone. And then hopefully with the drive we can flip the daily, and then maybe we actually get the London session to push nicely through the lows. So beautiful, 18 likes, guys, amazing. If you guys haven't liked the stream already, make sure to like the stream. Let's go, let's go. Let me take these trades called and taken, because it is a new day now. I was thinking of looking into another sell after that area too. Yeah, me too, me too. Don't you wait until price is below the daily flip? Yeah, for most cases, but for this one, I expect when we close below, that price should push it to flip. So as long as you've got the 4 hour with me, which we do, I'm not too bothered. And I do expect, you know, it's not like the daily's all the way down here. The daily's here, so it's quite close. Yeah, we'll wait in 12 minutes time and get a closure, which will also be, oh no, it won't be the half an hour, but anyway, we'll wait until we get a closure over here. Just need 2 minutes to finish the phase 1 in my Forex funds. Beautiful. Try not to look at that though, because now you'll be like, ooh, it's close. Like, try and just not look at percentages. Just do it. On the 2 hour chart, I don't even look at the 2 hour chart. Yeah, it looks pretty good. It looks pretty clean. Looks pretty clean. So yeah, GJ Gold still waiting. Nice and beautiful. Lovely Thursday morning. Wow, we're getting subscribers in here. Thank you, Steve, for subscribing. Beautiful. So yeah, we'll just be waiting very, very patiently over here. I had some messages last night about the mentorship. Fucking hell, man. Oh, it's so annoying. They're asking me so many questions. And they're like, oh, I don't think I can afford it. I'm like, well, okay, that's fine. Right? Just don't fucking waste my time. Try to explain what's involved and stuff. Like, oh my god, if you can't afford 50 quid, then, you know, that's fine. Don't fucking try and... Someone try to swindle me like, oh, can you drop it down to 40 and I'll pay 20 days? But, oh, fuck off. Like I'm gonna do that, you fucking retard. What did Tom say here? NFP this week, so expect some movement to price in the news. Expect gold lower and USD push my side. Yes, sir. Yeah, gold's gonna be looking good over here. Oh. Nice. I mean... in 25 minutes, that could be quite nice for the 8 o'clock, so then I make a top wick into drive down. Could be good over here. How you have been with Raja? How you have been with Raja? I haven't been with him. I haven't bought anything he's put out for mentorship. I just went to his streams like you guys are doing to mine. That's all I did. Added a new book to Discord. Oh, beautiful. Let's take a look at Discord actually. Yeah. So charts to the stream. Some guys put some charts in the stream for me, please. Por favor. Trading books. The Law of Attraction. Ooh. Beautiful. Not related to trading, but a great read for self-development, motivation, and a positive outlook. Great. Yeah, any books here that makes you feel better about stuff for sure. Beautiful, beautiful. That was the trade that we took. It was nice, tasty. Like the stream, guys. Yeah, make sure to like the stream. Beautiful. Want to see 50-minute close bearish below 17.29 first. Yeah, me too, me too. Looks like we may actually just get this move in this first candle over here. I just feel it. This 5-minute closer below. It's looking quite good, but for me, yeah, I want to wait for this 15 closure. 60 people watching, and it's not even fucking 8 o'clock, man. Jeez. So yeah, we're looking for buys above here as well. It's gonna be looking pretty tasty. So yeah, pretty happy with this over here. Oh, that's ice cold water. That shit nice. Beautiful. So yeah, today I was going to do the simulation yesterday, but now I am doing it today for sure. So that'll be fun. And then tomorrow I go to Leeds. I'll go into the Ivy. Oh, I love the Ivy. I've been so many times. I fucking rate it. So yeah, we'll wait 8 minutes time for this closure. Let's take a look at GBP/AUD over here. So fresh analysis as we always do over here. Okay. So it looks like GBP/AUD over here is bearish, pretty solid bearish as well, which is fine. Look at the 4 hour over here, 4 hours bearish. Nice, tasty, beautiful. And then towards the lows over here, yeah, it's starting to make some support right around this zone over here. So for me, it's going to be looking nice for continued sells below the lows. Because if you took trades here, you've only got like 10 pips, but 10 pips isn't 10 pips on GBP/AUD, it's 5. So you don't stream tomorrow? No, I am streaming tomorrow. Don't worry. I'm going to Leeds later on. Don't worry, I won't miss a stream. And then buys for me are going to be nice on the daily flip, I think, because that's going to be where resistance is as well. So buys above this current zone. Let's look at the 15. Yeah, like right around this zone over here. So sells below, buys above, and then you just wait. And then when it happens, you know, you have a look at all the entries we can take. What am I doing? So yeah, this weekend as well, when I'm on the train, I will make the Google spreadsheet for everyone to use for the closures and all this stuff. So all this stuff here. Because basically all we're doing now is, right, you find your zones, you wait until you get a closure below and above, and then, you know, you get all of your zones out and you go like this. You go, right, is it this setup? No. Is it this setup? No. Sorry, is that the same one? Is it this setup? No. And you just go through, and then when it is a setup like that, then you just execute it. Pretty simple. Tomorrow is the giveaway. Yeah, tomorrow is the giveaway. Very, very true. 3 magic keys, let's go. 3 magic keys online. Do you journal your trades? I used to, but now I can't be asked because it takes me too long. Like, a day in the life for me at the moment is fucking mad. I like it's time at night time, like, bro, I'm fucking passed out because I do a live stream here, and then in the 2-hour break, I normally am editing an Instagram video or 2. And then I'm posting probably a TikTok, and then I go back onto the NY stream. I do the NY stream for 2 hours, and then I maybe do a simulation or a webinar, which will take me like 2 hours to plan, and then you know, reply to people's DMs on Instagram, and then, you know, it's a lot of shit. But yeah, look, I'll show you how I journal my trades. It's over here. 1 second. Trello was the thing I used. Max, I might as well just send you my address keys. Are as good as mine. Someone changed the background on this. I'm fucking well pissed off. But anyway, yeah, this is my journal. I did for like a couple months. Fuck off. So yeah, I don't know why it looks like fucking Yoda's little place where he just vibes when he's gonna die when he's older. But yeah, like, this is what I did. Just every single one. So like a red one over here. I had a picture explaining what happened. So let's see over here and see if we would have got trapped in this. So we wouldn't have. So look at this, guys. This is a prime example of an 8 o'clock. So, you know, all of you guys over here taking some gold some gold, not gold, some GJ buys for 8 o'clock open and saying, oh well, the volume. I'm like, yeah, but it, you know, it didn't really close above over here. This is the new resistance and rejection. Boom. So yeah, and then yeah, look, pips for the week and stuff. So nice. Yeah, it does look good over here. To continue. I just need a closure in 4 minutes time in the top wick, and then maybe to exceed and fill down. Could be good. So Luco has got a chart over here. So he's looking for buys. This is the 30-minute time frame. Possible buys do not like the clean traffic to the left. Daily also heavily bearish yesterday. Yeah, that is very, very true. Yeah, safer buys will be above 151,100. Yep, I think that's completely valid. The daily fib looking for sells below this area. It's a very, very simple, very, very easy, and a beautiful chart. So yeah, exactly. I think this candle over here is clean though. So if we look here, you know, this is quite clean. I know this doesn't look as clean, but you know, look straight to the left. This is where the clean candles were, so it should effectively fill that range. It's okay to put trade journal on your Instagram account? Well, yeah, like just post your trading journal. Yeah, for sure. For sure, why not? Why not? 26 likes, guys, amazing, amazing. Let's try and bash this like button. Let's try and get 100 likes today. I never hit 100 likes. I think we've got a lot of people in here though, so we should do. And if you have learned something today already, make sure to subscribe and like that stuff. So yeah, finally, look at this now. For the past like week, 2 weeks, I was like, we're nearly at 1,000 now, and like now, yes, yes, fucking get in. Well happy with that. No bother, Luco. No bother. Very, very good chart, my man. Beautiful. I wouldn't be too worried about the GJ by the first zone. I think it is quite a solid zone, to be honest. So, very, very crucial point over here, guys. If this candle closes below, it's kind of a good opportunity to take some sales. If it closes on support, though, or a week like this, I may not take it. And yeah. So, still for the 4 hour and the daily is looking good over here, yeah. Look at the daily, has no bottom wick, so the probability we're going to flip this daily is very, very highly probable. That's why I quite like it. Man, do you hear some feedbacks about Nations Trading? No, I don't actually. I don't. Nations Trading, is that the one? Is that Daniel Savage's one? I don't fucking know. There's so many now, I'm like, bruh. Nah, I don't really know anything about it, to be honest, and I wouldn't trust what Savage says probably. So, I don't know. A lot of them are getting scammed. So I would, to be honest with you guys, the only one I'd probably even look at now is FTMO, but I don't know. It's fun and talented. Everyone dirty. Yeah, not good, not good. I mean, everyone bar me because I did the flex account, and they're still gonna pay me. Well, we'll see anyway. I'll tell you if they do. Because at the moment I started it like yesterday because I wanted to have this account just to piss about on, to show you guys you can do it, and then my IC Markets is connected to it via social trader tools. So let's see if it's dodgy over here. Yeah, so look. Let's go. Beautiful. Past 2 days would be nice. Why IC Markets show different price? What do you mean, bro? What do you mean, boy? Man, now they changed the split on FTMO is much better. Yeah, I think I've seen that. That's pretty good. What GJ is? I don't think it is Bing. If you please use watermark for your chart, it will be fine to recognize the pair. Thanks. Watermark? What the fuck does that mean? What happened with Footed Talent? They basically said that all the challenge accounts. So basically, what happened was at the start of Footed Talent. Oh, this looks nice. If we get a nice top work over here. At the start of Footed Talent, they said that, you know, if if you get to the live account over here, you use a Black Bull live account. I'm like, oh sick, Black Bull, you know, that's very, very, you know, good broker, very, very happy. So that was like, well, they can't bullshit that. If they're using someone else's broker, they can't bullshit. And then now, obviously, they moved to their own servers, and that's when I got a bit like, this is dodgy as fuck. Why have you moved to your own servers? But anyway, gave the benefit of the doubt, and I realized that those live accounts weren't live. So they did lie. Like, they called it the elite accounts. That's why they've got away with it, and that's kind of why I was like, this looks dodgy as fuck. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, the elite account or whatever, and yeah, mad. So making the top wick over here, nice. That's exactly what I'm wanting it to do over here. Probably comes around this zone, so I can get a nice 10 pip stop. Oh, if this goes over here though, then I'll miss the trade. It's too early on in the candle for me, I think. I want this to happen later on in the candle, maybe like 8 minutes in or 7 minutes in. So, and yeah. So 1726 here. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 722.5. Nice. So yeah. So what I'm actually looking for here, charts for the stream. Yeah, 1 second. Just looking at this. Right click on the chart and saying select appearance and watermark. What does watermark do? We'll put your pair on your background of the chart on the time frame. It could help. Oh shit. Okay. So settings, appearance, watermark. Right, is that it? Oh, it's a bit fucking big though, isn't it? Just look there, man. Oh, can you not see it? Do 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 do. Let's see what it looks like on this one. Nah, Mo, that looks fucking chalked. I can't see the charts. Fucking looks gash. Hell no. That motherfucker off. Oh, so GJ's coming up over here. 12 minutes time for the half an hour to close. I'm gonna be waiting for that. You can edit brightness. Okay, yeah, I'll sort that out next one if it's a big issue. Yeah, this is fucking distracting me as shit. Get this bitch off. So coming down over here now, exceeding the lows of the 5 minutes, should continue over here. For me, I kind of want to wait for more of a top wick, so that's what I'll be waiting. Can already see it clear in the top left. Yeah, exactly. Just look here. People who are struggling, just look here. And anyway, you know, it's pretty obvious what I'm trading. I trade 2 pairs, man. So I can trade fucking 10 pairs. Beautiful. 82 views in this bitch. Amazing. Or look at the price. Yeah, exactly. Look at the price and use your common sense to see where it is. I mean, it's not too hard. So over here, 11 minutes time. Oof, looking good over here. Nice. That's a strong hourly candle. I'm liking that. 4 hours flipping as well. So yeah, it's looking good over here. But as I say, no impulses. I'm not getting in right now. I'm waiting for the closure to confirm that we are leaving the zone because this was resistance before. GBP news came out. Oh, did it? What, here? What was about forecast on retail sales? Oh, mate, my coffee's already getting cold, man. What the fuck? Wait. Let me quickly run downstairs and put this in the mic. I ain't fucking having another cold coffee. It's minging. Right, 1 sec. GJ is also looking sexy, yeah, man. GJ is looking pretty good over here. The only issue I have now with getting into gold, like right about now, is what? Someone tell me. Someone tell me. Either in Zoom or in YouTube, someone tell me why getting in now may not be the wisest idea. Beautiful, beautiful. So push towards the next zone. Yes, it's already in the zone quite a lot. And then Jay is completely right. Hour about to close. The hourly is about to close over here. What does this mean? This means that the hourly is going to close. And what do we know? Probability-wise, we're going to make a top wick. And it normally happens in the start of the candle. So you're going to have to take some drawdown if you're in now. As long as if it doesn't go to TP straight away. And I don't want that drawdown, okay? So very, very easy. And that's about timing of the candles. The webinar today for the mentorship is about timing in candles, timing in all that kind of stuff. Because it's important, you know. People will be like, oh, I want to get into this trade. But it's like, yeah, well, the hourly's just about to close. It's going to make a top wick. Do you really want to get in? And especially for gold, like NY session, it's going to save you so many times. Like here and stuff, you know, like it just happens a lot. So, charts to stream, okay. I'm looking. Right, okay, so buys above, risky buys above here. I don't think they're risky. I really don't think they're risky. I think the only thing that's risky a little bit about it is that the time frame yesterday, not the time frame, the bearish momentum yesterday is a bit of an oof. I kind of want to continue with the sells, but I mean, if you do get closes above and we have lots of 4-hour bullishes, then why not? I think it's a good option. There's clean candles to the left, so I don't know why we wouldn't take this trade. Like, look, clean candles. So if we do close above over here, we should then come and fill up the range. That's exactly what I'm looking for over here. Beautiful. Let's take a look here as well. Selling on the break of the previous candle lows over here. Oh shit. Okay, sounds good. But remember what I said about the hourly. But nice. Where would your stop be though? Looks like you can have like a 30 pip stop if it's on the current high over here. Do you factor that monthly and quarterly candles are closing today, or because we are trading in today's scalps, not a factor? Yeah, I try not to think about that too much. I mean, when I was younger, I used to think about it. It's like, oh, well, it's, you know, it's the monthly, and you know, we're closing now. But you know, I try and keep that kind of noise out of the way I trade, because you know, I'm looking at the candles over here. If there's a setup in the candles and there's volume and there's good price action, I'm gonna take it. So I'm really not that asked about that. Yeah, I try and keep that out of my head. It's the same thing for like, you know, oh, we're bearish today, you know, we've already sold quite a lot, why, I don't want to take any more sales, you know, like yesterday someone said, and you know, I hope you guys learned from this. Someone said we were like up here, we go, oh, don't you think we've ran a lot already on sales? I go, yeah, but you know, it can run a lot more, and as you can see, it ran fucking another like 100 pips basically. So yeah, try not to keep that worrying of like, oh, we've ran already quite a lot today, because there's always room for movements. You know, just look at the daily candles, how big are the daily candles before, and yeah. So if you guys are new here, make sure to like the stream, guys, and if you guys have learned any information, amazing. So if this candle over here in 5 minutes time doesn't close above like here, I am not going to be taking any trades, and it is going to be rejecting these highs, and it is causing it as resistance. So as you see here, this is another prime example of an impulse entry. Okay, another prime example of why we don't take impulse entries, really, because you'd have came up here, took an impulse, you would have got into some little profit, and now you're in drawdown. Well done. Because you were too greedy and too emotional to wait for 6 minutes or something like that. Okay, it's even taking an impulse, you know, sometimes it's not even a bad option. The reason why I don't like people taking impulse is because it shows me how weak your mentality is in this game, your emotional side, because it's showing that you're worried you're going to miss the move, so that's FOMO you've got. You're worried that you know, you want to get to a better price before you have to take a buy over here. You know, there's lots of different things that I can see from your psychology when you try to take impulses, especially here. You can literally see a candle right next to it that's fucking rejected. So why the hell would you try and take an impulse here? It doesn't make sense to me. Even though there is going to be that one time, as I say every stream, you know, where this candle just fucking does that, and someone who took the impulse makes some money. Great. But how many times is that going to happen after 100? Not 80 times, maybe 60, maybe 55, maybe 40. So, you know, I'm not taking that probability. I'm taking 80% probability setups. What drawing tool do you use? My Epic Pen, bro, just stopped launching the app. What do you mean, like drawing tools like this? That's just Zoom. It's actually really fire. I fucking use Zoom all the time. Yeah, I remember Control FX doing it, and I fucking rang him. I was like, Control FX, what the fuck is this? Please teach me. he's a goat, man. I fucking rate him. Especially like the stuff like I've like fucking copied off him, and he doesn't care. I'm like, oh, what a boy. I wouldn't care if he did it, so why not, eh? Just, fun and talent there, people scam firm. Yeah, man, not good. Not good. Let me actually take that off the fucking description now. I'm not happy. Over here, let me get rid of this so no one can use it. 1 second. There we go. Samantha is going to send me a chart. Yeah, sure thing. Can you have a look? Yeah, and then I'll look at Discord as well. If you guys want to join the Discord, it is in the bio over here. Also, my night bot, my little bot in the chat will send you it. I'll just do it over here. I think he's got one now for this. 1 second. It might not though. I swear I set a Discord one up. Oh well, he does it every 30 minutes anyway. So over here, let's take a look at this chart. So yeah, if you guys do want to send me some charts, feel free to do so, and when I have time, I'll have a look at them. Oh shit! So break trend line entered after the second candle over here. Okay, fucking hell. When was this? Is this now? So you've been holding this trade on for fucking hours. Wait, when did you get into this trade, bro? All these Fun and Talent refuge are now hopping on Max's stream. Fun and Talent refugees. Yeah, 100 watches, man. Yeah, I think, you know, as I've said numerous times, guys, you know, the funding way is sometimes not the best way. Why don't you just try and do it on your own account? And if, you know, as I've shown you so many times on Instagram, the compounding, if you could do it, you know, you don't need much equity. And if you've got another job and stuff, when you're profitable, you can do it. You don't have to give any money to anyone. You don't have to use anyone else's servers. It doesn't have to go wrong. I show you this, you know, time and time again over here. The power of compound. If you start with £1,000 account, and I know some people don't have £1,000, that's completely fine. I mean, you know, you just have to save up for it in a year. But if you can consistently do this, like consistently come to the charts every single day, by the end of the first year, you'll have 9 grand. So, like, you know, try not to think about just funding. You can do it yourself, man. Or if you have a bit more money and you have 5 grand and you could do 20% a month. 20% a month is not bad. I'm like not hard. It's like not. It's really not that bad. Or just change it. Change it to 50% or 10%. There's no point being profitable and only a little bit profitable on funding things. Yeah, it messes with emotion. You know, you have to be like, oh, oh, I'm hitting my percentage gain, or I have to get another more percentage until I pass. Like, it's fucking stressing. Try to just keep that off, man. Best thing to do is have your own account. And what I'm going to be doing soon is incentivizing people joining IC markets for sure. I'll be giving out a free webinar, I think, because, you know, it is pretty good. GJ looking nice. Yeah, looks like it's pretty good over here. Looking good. So we get a closure. Nice. Let's take a look at gold 1 second. Yeah, gold's too much in this range for me, and it's near this little support. So I'm going to be focusing on GJ over here, and I'm going to be doing my so what am I wanting to see over here, guys? I'm wanting a nice bottom wick, which is what it's doing now. Yes! Oh, don't flip up now, you pussy. Kind of want it to go right around this zone over here, 590. So then when we enter, I can get a nice stop loss. This is good, this is good. So let's take a look over here. This is nice. It's, you know, you don't want to be entering trades right at the start. You want to wait until it makes the lower wick, and then maybe exceeding these highs again. But the more it pulls down, the more I like it, okay? Because the more it pulls down and then starts to flip, this rejecting them lows over here, the more chance we have to go up. So that's what I'll be looking for. I'm probably exceeding these highs over here, so 650. So at the moment, what I'm looking at is my stop loss right now would be 7 pips. That's not bad at all. So 655. The more it comes down, so now it's coming towards 10 pip stop, which is beautiful. My target's over here. Yeah, I'm gonna get into this trade when we come up. This is a buy stop. There's 28 minutes left of the candle. Beautiful. Yep, so I'm looking nice over here to pull in. So we've closed above, exactly what I want. We're making the low wick. As long as you don't run like loads, that's fine. What are we looking for targets over here? First one is 10 pips, so right about this zone. Next one will be actually 833. 150833. And then TP3 will be next highs, which is all the way up here, which is about 151080. So beautiful. Got my thing up. Buy stop. Nice market pending over here. Beautiful over here. So. One second over here. So even if it's a winning trade or a losing trade, I don't care because I do the same trade every single day. And yeah, we'll see over here. So at the moment, yeah, it's a nice 10 pip stop. If you come any further down over here now, it's going to be a bit annoying because it's going to be a bigger stop loss. So I may have to wait a bit longer, but we'll see. But it's looking pretty tasty over here, guys. So yeah, my buy stop is at 655 on the highs. Yeah, I could put it on the flip over here, but I kind of want extra confirmation that we're getting past this wicket, etc, etc. I think that'll be pretty decent over here. Yeah, beautiful. Oh wow, so Tom is put in the chart over here. Domestic product GDP. Oh, so they got 23.6, yeah, and their forecast is 22. Well, that's good. Year on year, quarter on quarter. That's looking good then. That's positive news over here. But it looks like we are dipping down. Ooh. So at the moment, getting in. 13 pip stop. It's just tapped the 4 hour. So still valid. We haven't exceeded the low of the previous 15. If we exceed the low of the previous 15, I'm gonna have to wait a bit longer, I think. But we'll see over here. Structure in the higher time frame is bearish. You are correct on the last candle for sure, but look at the last 4 hours. The 4 hours are printing very, very solid bullish. So I'm alright. And I like the close above. Clean candles to the left over here. I'm happy to take this trade if we do start to flip over here. Especially now, because basically what price is doing now is, you know, it's doing exactly what I like it to do for the trades I like to enter. Came up, closed above, which is here. Comes back down, sees if it wants to stay in this zone. If it then starts flipping out, then it's leaving this zone, isn't it? And then what zone is it going to come into? It's going to come into over here. So we're coming down over here. Ooh. 505. Let's look at the 30 minute. Yeah, so for me, it's looking like a big stop loss for me. So what am I going to do now? Because if I get in here, my stop loss is going to be 15 pips. That's too much. So the one thing I could do is either wait for the next candle to show where it's going to close on the 15. Wait for another confirmation above. If we exceed this low of the 30 minute then I'm going to completely eradicate these buys over here. Remember the hourly, strong bullish above. I still think we're good for buys. Just at the moment, may not be the entry. And this is another prime example of why we wait for lower wicks to form. So if you guys are new here and you know what you don't get what lower wicks or top wicks of forming is, we know that most candles are going to make a top wick and a bottom wick. So when we try and enter a trade over here, we wait for the bottom wick to form, and this also means we don't get faked out because we haven't entered yet. When this candle comes up and then does something like this, and flips, then we have the confirmation that we've closed above, we made the bottom wick, and now we should start exceeding. This is quite a deep pull down, but for me it's still valid on the 30 minute and the hourly. If we do exceed the low of the 30 minute though, I'm going to have to wait for more confirmation over here. And it looks like we're coming down. So for me, I'm going to be deleting my buy stops at this time, and I'm going to wait a bit more. So you see, you know, with our setups over here, let me just put this on the chart. We are very, very specific in what we want to see, and if we don't want to see them, we get out. Wow, look at that. So people trying to get in early here, I'm telling you, it's not going to be profitable for the long run. Like here, like seeing the highs straight away, trying to get into some buys. Tell me, who did this in the chat? Who did that? I know some people would have. Who did this? And I'm going to slap you in the hand. We avoid so many fake outs waiting for bottom wicks first. Such a good concept. Mate, I'm telling you, it's fucking true. Safest trading, guys. Waiting for candle closures. Max Way has been taught is fire. Well, yeah, I mean, it's just what I saw. And I was like, what's the point in getting in early just because this one time it runs off when you can just wait for the bottom wick to form and not get this shit. Like someone here would have been, I know someone, especially in the world, right, would have taken a buy here. Stop loss would have been below the current, so 23 pips. Price is came down and they go, oh shit, it's pushing down. Maybe you're just making liquidity. So then they'll move their stop loss. So if they got into a buy over here, their stop loss is here. Then they'd move their stop loss to here, and now they're just balls deep in some shitty trade that they shouldn't have even entered in the first place because they were trying to be greedy to get in at the top. Telling you, it happens all the time. So if you go back to on my YouTube, maybe the first, like, I'd say the first week or 2 weeks I was properly streaming, you can actually see a lot of moves where this does just make no bottom wick really, and then just flies up. And I say, like, and people are like, Max, why aren't you taking these trades, bro? And I go, because I'm fucking waiting. Daniel gave the buying signal. Who's Daniel? You mean Savage? Well, yeah, that isn't a buy. As you can see. Holy shit. 30 pips. Holy fuck. It does feel like a lot of news is in at the moment, I'm not gonna lie, so Tom is definitely right over here. So when you get used to the markets, you can also feel, you can just feel the amount of momentum, the amount of volatility in the markets. You can just feel it with the amount of push. You can see that news is out. So look over here, we are flipping the daily over here. And you know, because we are fluid in the markets though, we can easily get into some trades with sells. We just have to wait for lows to break it, etc. I think things ain't working for him either, lol. What, did he just do it on his Instagram or something? Bro, I'm telling you, my IC market is 25-minute laggy compared to TradingView. Really? Let me open mine. Cause mine's just running in the background. You don't even have to have it open, which is pretty cool. Nah, mine's running, bro. Mine's running. Exactly the same price, yeah. Maybe just restart it again, my man. Wow, 1k subs, congrats. Next road 10k, yeah, 10k guys. I'll give an amazing giveaway then. Amazing giveaway. If you guys haven't enjoyed the stream yet though, please make sure you like the stream. It really helps me out. Come on, let's get to 100 likes. Let's bash this like button. Really helps me out to gain a new audience as well. So you guys don't have to watch any boring streams anymore. You can watch me. So it looks like gold did do this trade nicely over here with the top wick for 8 o'clock, then start to flip. Nice. Came down like 20 pips. For me, the zone is a bit shit. I wanted to get up a bit higher, to be honest. I mean, 7 o'clock. Let's have a look. Not closing below. This 7 o'clock one did actually though. Wow, look at that GJ. Holy fuck. Amazing. If you guys have any questions as well about trading or anything, make sure to ask me them in the comments. Let's take a look at Discord over here. I'm actually giving away his home. I need to do a fucking Instagram, TikTok video about my house, man. I've got a fireman's pole in that in this bit over here. I think I've said that before. I'm gonna do like a cool montage of it. Hey man, how you look at funded talent? Are they getting in trouble? I think they're gonna have a lot of lawsuits, to be honest. I think they're gonna have a lot of lawsuits because at the start, especially, they said it's thing, but then they changed it to an elite count. Like, what does that mean? An elite count doesn't mean anything. If they said live. Did they say elite live account? Because then that's pretty sus. But if it's just elite, they'll probably get away with it. Apparently already people have gone to like I'm on their Facebook thing and they're getting rinsed. Are you on FTMO or with your own capital? My own capital on IC markets, and I actually just opened a fun and talent one yesterday. I've had it for ages, but I was like, oh fuck it, I'd rather I can make the same amount of money if I just open that as well, and then link it to my IC markets. That's what I've done. Can you check GU, bro? Yeah, sure. Actually, yeah, I should check GU. But look at this volume, man. Holy shit. Holy smokes. Yep, sales look better. We are flipping the daily as well. Nice. GBPUSD's coming down over here. Fucking hell, look at this momentum. Daily flipped. Looking good. Closures below here will be pretty solid for me. In 2 minutes time, hopefully. Look at gold. Oh, you motherfucker. You got in on this flip. 20 pips profit that would have been with a 10 pip stop, I think. Yeah, nice. So GJ over here, yeah, it's good. Flipping the daily, as you see, the yellow line is being crossed over here, so nice. Where can we end up then? Where can we end up? We'll have to see. So you could take risky sells at this zone, but for me, I'd kind of want to wait below. Yeah, because this is a pretty big range over here. And considering how we were just looking for buys before, I like leaving it a good like 15-30 minutes until we look for sells. Just changing your bias that quick is a bit rough. You can still change your bias, but you know, take your time with it.
How much do you risk on the funding one?
Pardon, bro?
How much do you risk for per trade? 1.4?
Yeah, 1.4%. 1.4% on GJ, and on gold I think is, so let me just think, 400. I actually risk a bit more on gold, which is a bit silly. If it's a 20 pip stop, I risk 400 on a 25k now, so yeah, it's like,
Okay.
but yeah, 1.4% on GJ is my sweet spot, because like normally if you look on our Telegram and stuff, we take trades and our losses are around about 7 pips, 6 pips if we manage. And that's around about 1% loss, so that's why I quite like it.
Yeah.
Hello.
How's Connor this morning? Jeez, Connor, did you get into buys? I hope you did.
Very quiet.
I'm good, man. I'm good. I've literally just been stopped out at break even. I sold GJ when it broke 30 minutes low, got 10 pips.
Yeah.
And then got stopped out at break even because I'm anticipating daily to do the same as it did yesterday, like daily go bearish and then continue moving.
Yeah, it's got a nice wick to fill as well.
Yeah, but bit of a poor entry on my part, to be fair. Like, luckily I got the 10 pips and then it got stopped out, but the stop loss were huge, so not a very profitable trade, that one, to be fair.
Yeah, that's the thing, innit? Like, yeah, stop loss would have been above the current here.
Above the candle, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, 22 pips.
But now I'm just going to look for a retracement on 5 minute, like a break retest, and getting on 5 minute, because I'm looking at the 0.4, like 150.460 sort of 5 minute support. If we can turn that to resistance, should be able to continue the sell off.
Yeah, sounds good. Does sound good over here, yeah. Could be good. Let's look at the thing. Yeah, it's looking pretty nice. I'm trying to think of maybe getting closures below here, but the only issue is this is choppy, man. So if I got in here, 8 pips for this support and then 10 for this one, so yeah, it's not. It looks like there's a lot of volume in here, and I don't really want to get caught in this little shitty range over here. Hi, if your stop loss is more than 10 pips, do you still secure at 10 pips? Wouldn't that make you a RR negative then? Yeah, so sometimes I'll have like a 12 pip stop. And then I'll take a 10 pips. Yeah, I don't give a shit about risk to reward, to be honest, because my trades are 80% win rate, so I don't really give a fuck, to be honest. And it's only like literally, and then sometimes, most of the times, I move my stop loss to around about 5 pips or 6 pips or break evens, and then they run 10 pips, so or 12 pips. Sometimes, like yesterday or the day before, I got 23 pips on GJ from a 9 pip stop. So yeah, I'm good. Don't worry about it. The negative
and most of the times we don't take the full loss.
Yeah, We haven't taken a full loss yet actually on the Telegram. So on all of our trades, on all of our losses, we have never taken a 10 pip loss yet. Look, so loss here, -6 pips. Closed half, beautiful. 10 pips, TP2, 24 pips, 50 pips. So yeah, we good over here. So yeah, don't really worry about like the negative risk to reward. I'm not asked. It's normally 10 pips, and it's normally 12 pip, 15 pip, 20 pip, 30 pip gain. So I'm not really too bothered. And especially with some of my tight entries with like 6 pip stop losses and I'm making 20 pips from it. That is literally like someone having a 50 pip stop loss but making 150 pips. Like, how many trades taken in Telegram so far? Just curious. I'd say probably about, I've been for 2 weeks, probably like 12 or 13, I think. 12 or 13. The first day I started, I took 2 losses, which is a bit naive, and then I'm pretty sure I had a loss the day after. And then from then on, I've only had 1 loss, so the rest have been winners over here. Last week we made 10%, well I made 9%, sorry, and then this week I'm up 3%. Or something like that, 2.5 as you see on funded talent. So yeah, pretty good. And yesterday I should have taken them gold cells yesterday and the day before, which is a bit annoying, but I'm still getting used to the entries. I want to have a proper entries for people, so yeah. And then today, yeah, I'm going to be doing the simulation. I actually got up to work now. I did something wrong and Antonio helped me, so yeah. Max, your volume is too low. Seems mic is too far. Oh, sorry. Is it here? Is this better? Is this better, boy? Amazing, guys. So yeah, if you guys are new here and you guys enjoyed the stream, make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to like. It really does help out. Drop a big like. It takes 10 seconds to just like it. So if you guys are rating it, make sure to do that for me. That'll help out. Let's get to 100 likes. 12% in 2 weeks. Way to go, brother. Yeah, bro. And that's and yesterday, if I took that gold sell, I would have been up 14% in one trade. So yeah. Not too bad, man. And this is what Ted does every fucking day. Like, he waits for the moves at around about 2 o'clock every day. So, like, this time, 8 a.m., 9 a.m., takes the trade, takes 100 pips, Bob's your uncle, does it every day. Makes 40% a day. Or, if not, a break even. He only needs to get one of these 100 pip moves a week to get 14% a week. You know, that's fucking ridiculous. So he doesn't care if he takes one of the trades. You know, the one trade that I really liked here was this candle closure below here. Oh, sorry, this is GG. What the fuck? Gold over here. Yeah, this candle, where was it? Yeah, seeing this low here. Oh my god. 3 o'clock. It's beautiful. I waited for this top wicket again, and then when we came, I closed my charts here. And I wish I just got in the sell stops below here now, because we made the top wicket, we rejected this zone. Where's price going to go? And here. And if you look at the 5 minute, yeah, beautiful. This closure below, nice. You could have actually had a 5 minute play over here. Bit of quite a big stop, but yeah, nice. Yeah, rejected them highs. This is what I like. This zone that we're rejecting. All time frames are bearish as well. Just needed the top wicks to form. Another top wick over here. Then when we started flipping, beautiful. Very tasty. And yeah. Learn from the past, yes sir. 47 likes in this bitch, amazing guys. Make sure you like the stream. It's only 20 past 8 as well. So yeah, gold's coming up over here now. Interesting. Let's take a look at GJ. Still flipping the daily. It's got 9 minutes left of the 15. Also, guys, if you have me on Instagram, make sure to tag me in. Like, just do a video of the stream. That really helps me out. Yeah, just tag me in. I think Michaela has already done it. Oh, sorry, not Michaela. Michael. So yeah, look at this, man. Look at this price action on GJ. I mean, at the moment, it's not looking the best over here. We've had a nice, strong, bullish, momentum to come up. Then this massive candle. I'm trying to look on where we could get sells. So the only issue is sells at this zone, this zone. You know, there's a lot of times we could be wicked out over here. So it's a bit rough. I mean, clean sells probably. So if I got into sells here, if we got to this level, 6 pips, yeah, that's enough to get my stop loss to break even, to be honest. So I may actually potentially look for sells below. Let me just put this up a bit more over here, like this zone. So 261. So what I'm basically saying here, guys, is basically asking myself, if you got into trades around about this level with closures below, when we got to these wicks over here with support, 6 pips, that's fine. I'll have my stop loss to break even at that point, and I expect with the London volume to drive down. So that's how you can get in. If you want to get in and there's a bit of traffic to the left, just go, okay, that's fine. You know, I know there's traffic to the left. Let's just wait until we can get into a trade here if it's good confirmation. And if we come to this zone over here, just put stop loss to break even. What can you do? You have a break even trade or a winner. Why is my daily flip at 267? Oh, I think mine might be wrong. 1 second. Oh no. It's because you'll be using a different provider, maybe. Mine's the Owanda. I wish everyone could use the same one. I don't know what the difference is. It's just fucking. It's like which one is for which. Someone said. I think someone said one was better for indices and stuff. One was better for forex. I don't know. 50 likes, amazing. Thank you guys. What time frame would you enter? Would you have entered it on gold? 15 minute. Yeah, 15 minute gets me a nice place to do. Getting lots of messages. Holy shit, 7 requests on Instagram. Beautiful, beautiful. So I'll get to you guys all on Instagram later on. So beautiful, guys. Still waiting over here. Nothing much confirmation. That's fine. Owanda is good on Mondays because we don't see any gaps on Owanda. That's kind of why. Yeah, I think that's why I quite liked it. There's no gaps. FXCM's got some gaps. Look at this. I mean, fucking hell. Reacted on daily support over here. Not daily support, on the daily flip. Literally on the 5 minute. Look at that. The 5 minute literally closed on the dailies. Now we're coming back up. And I mean, the buys are still valid. We haven't exceeded the lows yet. Still got 35 minutes left. But this volume over here, mad. Today we have a little gap on FXCM. I always hear Uncle Ted speaks about daily flips, in which case are they important, brother? Yes, my boy, they are very, very important, my brother. The daily flips are, you know, higher time frames flipping in your direction is a very, very strong thing, especially when there's volume. When daily flips, you know, you get some volume, and obviously we got a lot of traffic here, and this momentum here is bad. But yeah, especially with gold, like gold flips and stuff, like. So what Ted will be doing, Ted will be sleeping now, but basically what he'll be doing is he'll be not giving a shit of what the fuck it does here. So people will be like, oh, should we buy gold now? Ted doesn't give a fucking shit about this. He'll wait until 8 AM Eastern, he'll wake up, he'll come to his charts like this, get his coffee, wait until the candle flips daily, tries to get in the lower time frames, takes his 100 pip trade, and then goes back to bed. But that comes from years of experience, and he'll take some break-even trades, a lot of break-even trades actually. I actually downloaded. I think I saved it though. He sent me his whole trades in the past like 2 months, and like I'd say like 30-40% of them were break-evens. So that's the discipline, man. Can you sit here and say that if you take trades this week, if you take 10 trades this week, 4 of them are going to be break-evens, and you're going to be happy with that, like waking up in the mornings, you're going to be pissed off, but he doesn't care because he knows when the right move's there, it's not going to hit his break-even, it's going to fucking launch 100 pips, so. For me with gold, I'm liking gold, but the issue is I'm closing way too early. Because I'm just like, oh, I'll get my pips up, but then it runs 100 pips, I'm like, oh, bro. I know it's going to hit the TPs as well, man. Every single TP3 I've put on gold, every single, like, this past 2 weeks has hit. So I'm like, bro. But it's getting your confidence in it, you know. I'm like, for example, GJ's my little baby. I've been doing it for ages. You know, GJ really isn't hard for me. It's just a piece of cake. gold's still hard with the entries, waiting for the top wicks, etc. And yeah. Our GBP/AUD over here we'll check as well. Oh shit. So Tom as well, especially Tom. Shout out to him. Is he in here? Oh no, he's not. He speaks about a lot about the gold. So for example, yesterday we were talking about it. Let's see. If you look for Tom over here, watching gold for sells below this level into the 2 highlighted regions. I said, yeah, me too. I nearly saw an entry in the 5 minute just at 17.37. Going to leave it, and paper trader already had a great week. So, and this was the trade, and it fucking ran all the way to the lows. Actually hit 17.22, but that was a nice closure in 4 minutes time. But yeah, so even paper trading it, just doing the work and getting your confidence up, really can help you over here. So GBP/AUD, ooh, so it's coming down over here. I mean, this is quite nice. 8 o'clock closing, 50 minute, but the 30 minute was still open. Oh no, it mustn't have been. Oh yeah, it was. So was that from half? Oh no, 8 o'clock. Just pushed down all the way. Let's look at the hourly. Yeah, a bit chalked. 4 hours looking nice though. Wow, when did this happen? 10 o'clock at night. So Asian 4-hour sells over here would have been nice. I mean, that is just textbook, okay? You know, came up over here, making resistance. So this is the 4-hour time frame. You know, the way we trade always works on all time frames. So if we look over here, we look at this over here. This is exactly what this is, but this is for the 4-hour. Look at that, and look at that. Very, very similar. What's your monthly gain, brother? Probably like 20%, sometimes 30, sometimes 40, sometimes 16. It just depends on the conditions, really. Yeah. I think this month though is going to be pretty good. But for very, very soon, I'm actually going to be putting my whole account history on and stuff like that. I might actually do an £1,000 account and show you guys how to compound it again, and just whack that with my simulation thing, not simulation, with my funds thing, and show you, you know, even with a £1,000 account, it can grow up quite nicely over here. So yeah, coming down now, nice for GBP/AUD. So reacted on this daily flip again. Damn. Same with GJ over here. So GJ, you know, as I say all the time, you need to realize it's chalked, realize it's a bit fucking not nice, and just relax. So we're getting a 50-minute bullish closure in a second. Set posh, bro, I sent you a request on stream on CSGO. Let's take a look over here. Oh, my nose is itchy as fuck. Friends. Right, pending invites. Bro, I'm pretty sure I added you then. What are you called on it? Oh my god, my nose. I want to get better soon, man. This is fucking pissing me off. I think you sent me a man. Yeah, I've been playing some CSGO today for sure. On GJ, do you see a buy? No, I see no buy. So, you know, try not to look at trying to get into some, you know, trades when you're in a zone over here, man. This is the difference, right? A buy could potentially happen, you know, and fill up this zone. There's no confirmation that it's going to do this. There's zero confirmation. Zero. So, you know, when you're trying to get into trades over here, the confirmation for me was the closure above, right, this time. And I'm waiting for the lower wick, and then the flip, it didn't happen, okay? So if that doesn't happen, you know, it's not the best time. If you get into a trade here, there is zero confirmation that you know this is going up here. You're just fucking hoping. And just going, well, it's made some support on here. We've got a bullish 15. This candle right now could rinse all the way down here. There's no confirmation at all. So, you know, try and think more of, is it a buy? Or I hope it's a buy. Just go, I fucking have serious data to show that this is a buy. You know, and if this candle right now, you know, goes to the top over here, which it can, you know, if you take, remember guys, in trading, if you just take a random buy or sell on a random chart, 50% chance it's going to go into some profit, okay? But, getting into a trade here is not good for longevity. How many times out of 100 is this going to work? Consider we just had a massive bearish candle over here. The 4 hour is bearish, look. 4 hour is bearish. And the daily is nearly bearish. It's just there's lots of things against you. Try and keep with the higher time frames. Try and keep with breaking zones. This, good traders can identify that this is not a good range to trade. This may be good, and this will be good because it's clean. And that's all it is. Is gold making support? Yeah, that looks quite good. That's quite good. But the issue is what? 4 hour is bearish. And we've just had some quite big sells over here. One 50-minute candle doesn't mean it's a buy. So, yeah, we do not know, man. Yeah, that fucking goal from Ronaldo yesterday was sick, man. So if you guys have learned anything about trading today, make sure to like the stream. Let's try and get it to 80 likes, guys. It really does help me out over here. So if you guys do play some games and you do gaming as well, I'm making a gaming section over here. So I can go and play CSGO and then watch me pop some heads. It'll be pretty fire. GJ, come on, man, shit. I know sometimes you can't do anything about it, man. You just have to chill here and relax on the stream, man. Relax on the stream. Relax on the stream. So if you guys haven't followed my Instagram as well, make sure to follow the Instagram. I'm actually struggling to gain followers on this bitch. I don't know why. I think my hashtags are just a bit crap. 'Cause I post a lot, man. Like I'm posting a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna have to change my hashtags over here. You ever try Rocket League? Yeah, I like Rocket League. Rocket League's good fun. I'd play a bit of Rocket League. Oh man, we're playing on the simulation last night. My dad just bought like a proper like sim like a racing one. He's had one before, but like now he's just upgraded it. And fuck, it's got 20 Newton forces of like fucking force. Like you put it on the max setting. Oh, my hands are killing. Hashtags ain't working no more, fam. What, on Instagram? What? Like not at all. So how the fuck do you grow on it? That's like the only way I thought you could grow on it, because like, people are scrolling through like hashtags and shit and see your shit. How can new people see your content? So 4 hour over here is pulled down and now it's gonna be flipping. But yeah, this is what we see, To be fair, this is quite interesting. Tapping the zone. So when we were looking for sells over here, this would be fine because look, tap these wicks where we were looking at, done exactly the same here. They changed the algorithm stuff. So what do you do then? I don't get it. What have they done differently so then I can actually like gain a new audience and shit? Do I have to go in my fucking dad's garage and post my fucking Lambos and Ferraris now? Is that what I have to do? For fuck's sake. I can't just post fucking value. You have to keep switching your hashtags or IG thinks you're a bot. Oh, shit. No, Chris, so follow people that follow other Forex accounts, then they will follow you, then you unfollow them. Yeah, I used to do that when I was younger, but I realized that it doesn't give you, I want to be able to get people to look at my stuff and go, oh shit, this guy's actually interested and I'm liking this stuff. Instead of me just clicking and then them like, just pressing follow for no reason. I kind of want it to be like a proper, because you can have 10,000 followers, but if no one like is fucking interacting with your shit, no one really care. Like it's useless. It's reels. Oh, I got a reel there. I think I got a reel. Wow, so this session over here has been mad. I mean, a lot of volume, but not much direction, not much price action. So as I said again, being able to analyze that you have bit of shit price action. It's a lot of volume though, but not, you know, nice candles over here. And taking no trades is the way to success. Okay, you don't have to take a trade every session. It's learning. But like, look at this. So we came all the way up, came all the way down. For me, there is nothing to look at. And yeah, we just chill. But yeah, this gold over here, very very interesting, making support over here. Nice. 55 likes, amazing guys. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. We are here every weekday. We're here every weekday for sure. I've got a lot of messages about the mentorship in Instagram, so I'll go through them today. Yeah, make sure to join that. So if you join the mentorship, literally the first second you join, the bot puts you in the chat, and then you're ready for NY session in 2 hours time, and then the simulation later on as well. Got my 10 pips on gold, stop loss to break even. Beautiful. So you got into a buy over here. Where was your stop loss? Here. Can we buy gold 1735? Yep. Thank you. Code over here. Right about this zone. Buys above. Closures will be nice. But remember, the higher time frames, you know, the daily and the weekly and stuff, still pretty bearish. This is just making the top wick. So, you know, it happens every day. So let's take a look. I'll show you an example over here. Let's look. So, Asian pushes up like we've just done today, has a little bit of a pull down for London, then starts to continue up. So this is what we are on now. This is the time, but yesterday. And then look what happens. 12 o'clock, volume comes in, we start to dive down. So, you know, taking that into account over here, you need to be careful with these buys, because these are just bullshit buys. Basically, what's happening is institutions are coming up, making, because why would institutions want to buy or want to sell gold here when they can, you know, sorry, not here when they can push it up with, you know, volume and then sell it over here, and that's what they did. And yeah, beautiful boys. So yeah, you know, just be careful with these gold buys unless you get a daily bullish or something interesting. For me, there's going to be absolutely no buys I'm taking. Hell no. Even though it looks nice, like intraday and stuff, I just know the higher time frames are against me, and going against higher time frames means price can move a lot slower. Even if it's a good trade, you know, I like keeping with the higher time frames. It makes the trades a lot nicer. And yeah, beautiful. 57 likes in this bitch, amazing. If you guys have any questions about anything, make sure to ask them in the chat box. Also, where's that guy who's done? Can I do this over here? 1 second. The guy has done timestamps on the last video. So if you guys do want to recap the streams over here, this guy, I'm going to try and make him a admin because he's a good lad. So if you go down over here, part of this live show, so look, he's done the timestamps. So if I go here, wait, if I go here, how do I? Oh, I want to make him admin. I think he has to come on the chat. Oh well. If you're in here, bro, in the chat, just type a message and I'll make you admin, because that's pretty nice of you, bro. Can we buy buys above yet? 1735. Yep. So look, we're coming down over here now, flipping the daily again. Nice, beautiful. Closures below 260 are gonna be pretty nice. Oh, here you are. Hello. I see you. Add moderator. There you go, my boy. Now you have the wrench next to your name. Sent you a request again on Steam. Oh shit. Yeah, lovely. Play some CS, boy. 57 likes, amazing, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for helping me, man. Amazing, we're building this together. And you know, in 2 or 3 years or something, and you know, we're vibing, I'll still be posting the same things. You know, I don't think I'll be going down the route of, you know, maybe like someone like Savage with all like their fucking flashing stuff, because I could have done that before. Why would I change it? I think it's just very silly. I'll be posting the same content. So wow, rejecting them highs over here. But yeah, we didn't get, so the recap for today is, you know, waiting for the lower wick has just saved us a shitload of money. And if anyone has taken anything away from the streams today, it is that you wait for the lower wick no matter what. And if it runs off straight away, tough luck. That's a 60% or 50% trade option. I look for 80%. So wow, rejecting these levels. So this is quite interesting now. Nice top wicks over here. Rejections making some resistance over here. Nice. So beautiful. So yeah, I'll go to all of the DMs I have in Instagram. There's a lot over here. So damn. So yeah, waiting for closures. I mean, so now, you know, volume starts to drop off, maybe soon, maybe in like half an hour, and we'll have to wait a bit longer for GJ. But because it's chalked over here, it's all good. You just have to just chill, and we can look at some other fun stuff. Thing is, if I play YouTube videos here, do I just get fucking copyright, which is a bit annoying. Jamie Carragher. I hope they've posted stuff about last night. So yeah, I'm gonna shout. So oh, Dr. Dollar's just finished trading over here. Beautiful. So make sure you go follow him. He's a G as well. And Mr. Controller Effects, he is the boy. Make sure you show some love to him. He gets a lot. Oh no, that's not too bad. Oh, that was August though. He gets a lot of dislikes now. I literally don't know why. He provides value every day. Let's take a look over here. First video. Oh shit! None of his videos. Oh, they all get copyrighted. Shit. So provides value every day. Make sure to go and subscribe to his channel over here. He's a boy. Let's talk about Fun and Talent Max. Yeah, so do you want me to get the email? I'll get the email that they sent. 1 second. I'm just gonna get it over here. Oh fucking hell. Where is it? Ooh. Here we go, here we go. So this is the email. Does the support on the 4 hour not put you off at 250? Let's take a look over here. Support on the 4 hour. Right here. Yeah, it's alright. I'm not too bothered about it, to be honest. The hourly looks clean. The hourly support's right at this zone a bit higher up, so kind of getting away from all of that. Let's look at the 15. Yeah, I'm happy. As long as we get a closure. Doesn't look like we're gonna get it at the moment though. Maybe 30 minutes, maybe another 50 minutes. I thought I was going to get stopped out on gold, but it looks like it's going on to continue to run. Nice over here. Yeah, did you get a have you got your stop loss to break even? Should be good. So this candle's opening now. Closing, sorry. The next candle needs to make a low wick. If your low wick gets tapped, then that's a bit of a shame. But hopefully you can still continue. But look, making the low wick now. Hopefully you can then continue. A game, yeah. So look, let's take a look over here. So it says we're permanently removing challenge. The decision was difficult to make. We understand that we'll lose members as a result. Like any business difficulties, bullshit, bullshit, bullshit. And then it has to say this. I'm like, well, yeah, great. 30,000 members. I don't give a fuck. You know, I don't give a shit. It's important to be explicitly clear that Fun Talent is not and has never been a broker. There's no live capital or trades taking place. Wow. I mean, I was fine for that for mine because mine was a demo. I don't give a shit. I just made the payouts, which is amazing. But for people on challenges thinking they had a funded account, that's a bit of a shame for them. Nor do we benefit from any of the simulated elite accounts. The thing is though, guys, is if you're on FTMO, that is the same, man. FTMO have has their own servers. You can't tell me that FTMO, if you get funded 100k, put in 100k in the account. They don't. They'll probably put in 20 grand or 10 grand. Okay? And it might not even be live as well. So at least they're being honest, I suppose. At least they're being honest. Because I think FTMO probably still the same. My 300k elite count gone. Yeah, that's fucking bullshit. They've been broken. Did you get a refund? Have you messaged them? Because I know Antonio had an elite count and he just put a massive fucking lot on in US30 and then asked for a payout. Providing challenge members a place to continue. So this is it. With releasing our new Edge program. Okay. This evaluation free model reflects our company's objectives. Can develop their trading strategies. We recognize that Edge is not a great fit for challenge members. You can evaluate where the edges fit right here. So let's take a look at this Edge. What the fuck that means. One second over here. Fun account program is unique for opportunities to learn real cash flow is opening your Edge. The evaluation free program allows you to start right away and cash daily to simulated. Okay, so I see US30 and what do you think? So no ad evaluation. We know that valuation ad pressure. We want our members to develop strategies. Okay. With our payout block system, you can pay paid as often every day depending on your performance. There's no added pressure payout date on this model, so you can take all the time you need to progress. You can cash this type of okay. Sign up, choose from an account size, 25k, 100k. Fictitious, so fake. Get started, no evaluation required. So it's just what? So max daily loss. Yeah. This means that if you're 100k, okay, you've allowed a 5% loss. Okay, that makes sense. Max overall loss. Save. So this is exactly the same as my flex at the moment. Payout structure. 20 following block format. Payout can be quested. So payouts can be questioned in the following block format. What does that mean? You must commit in simulated profits in order to request a payout. You cannot request a payout until the simulated profits are made. Anything over gets added to the next day's balance. For example, if you create profits, you can request a payout of the... What? I don't get it. The following day, you could begin the day with a balance of... The payout mate would be 25%, so it's equal to... So you have to make 1,250 to then not even get anything. Max rewards. So your max payout is 3,000 a month. So £300 a day on request. For members who would like to use the account for a longer period of time, any amount that exceeds per day can be requested 30 days after the first position. I mean, payouts in 5% blocks are... I mean, I kind of get it. I mean, it's just the same as my flex one. It's just now it's 25% instead of me getting 10%, but I get bi-weekly. I mean, it's just what I expected it to be. But at least they're being honest, to be honest. But they did lie at the start. That's not good. I mean, FTMO has been around for over 5 years, and they also pay off big profits. Yeah, but it's the same structure, bro. I'm telling you, their live accounts aren't live. No one, I mean, I'm pretty sure that if you have a 300k funded FTMO, they are not putting a 300k, 300,000 of their money into your account. I'm telling you, they'll put maybe 30 or 20 or 10. With that, you have the option to be paid immediately if you hit the amount, which is good. Yeah, I think that's quite a good option. I mean, it's the same fucking thing. They're saying it's a game. They're saying it's not real, but it kind of makes sense. I mean, that's all it was anyway. That's all I knew mine was. I don't really care about getting the live account. I was using the payouts, man. If you do well on that 1 month, I mean, I don't know how much it costs, but and then you keep on doing that consistently for like 5 months or something, making money every 5 months, and you've got your own live account, and then you can fuck it off and then go to your own accounts. I heard FTMO does do that. So apparently, obviously, you know, most people lose on trading about 80% or 70%. So apparently, these firms are doing the complete opposite trade of what you're doing. Because if they know you're going to lose 80% of the time and they take the complete opposite trade, they're going to make 80%. They're going to win 80% of the time. I was like, fucking hell, that's such a genius idea. What the fuck? The question
I'm
is...
away, me, Max. I'll be back tomorrow.
Fairs, bro. See you later, my boy.
Catch you in a bit, man.
Adios,
Take care.
amigos. See you later, my man. So, yeah, nothing really going on, to be honest. We're just chilling. So, the question is, does FTMO even make a profit from the challenge fee? Guys, I don't know why I keep on asking this. Of course they do, you fucking muppets. Max, will you be streaming NY? Yes, I will be. Yes, sir. And hopefully we can get better price action than this. Do they make a profit from the challenges, bro? It's 100% profit. 78%, 80% of people lose it. Just do some maths over here. Like, come on, it's just basic maths. They're cashing out, bro. If I could fucking sign one up, I would. Let's just get a calculator out, okay? Let's just do some really good maths. So, let's just say 10,000 people. Okay, 10,000 people bought an account, challenge account, okay? So, for the benefit of the doubt, let's just say it was something like $300 for a 25k or something. I don't know. Let's just say it is 300 euros or whatever the fuck, okay? So they've just netted 3 million in their account. 3 million. Just yeet, okay? Okay, 3 million. Now let's give the benefit of the doubt that actually 30% of people are good and 70% of people are shit. So 70% of people, so out of that 10,000, 7,000. So times by 300, I said. So they have just made 2.1 million in net profit. They don't have to care about them anymore. Either they're going to renew it and give them more money or not. Okay, so they made 3 million, didn't they? So that 900k is still involved, right? If they pass the test, they have to then do another 4% verification test. That'll probably max out. That'll probably take out another 50%. So now they've got 350k of the money that they got given in that they might have to give out. Now, when people get the live accounts or whatever, live accounts, which I don't believe anymore, then they get a profit split. Okay? You make this money with our money, you get a profit of the profits. So now, with the 350k that they've got left, they're actually going to be gaining money now, because the people that are successful, they get a profit split, and they get 20% or 10% of all the profits. So if all of them make, I don't know, 200k for all of them that actually pass it, which is, is all right, then they actually just make money. They've probably made 20 grand or whatever. I'm just doing an example. Oh shit, I didn't mean to do that. So it's a win-win no matter what. Look at the probabilities, man. 70%, 80% of people lose. I don't give a fuck how many payouts they give for the people that win. They make fucking 2.1 million out of 3 million instantly. They can happily pay out stupid things. It's mad. If you guys don't get that basic concept of how they make fucking racks, is just ridiculous. And that's 10,000 people, guys. Funding Talent had 18,000, and they're fucking half the size, 10% of the size of FTMO. FTMO probably have 100,000 people on. That just makes their profits even huger. So yeah, keep that into consideration. That's what I'm saying. Just stay in your own account at the start. 70% of the people lose, so make sure you're confident. You're going into this with 6 months of back testing, 6 months of consistent profits in your own account until you go funded. Because then you also need to take into account the pressure of getting to 8% or 4%, the pressure of not taking any drawdown for like 5% a day, 10% a month. There's a lot of pressure, which probably makes it even harder than just normal people. So on a normal account where you've got no restrictions, 70% of people lose. On a thing where you have even more restrictions of losing, it's going to be even higher, bro. So the whole concept of funding looks like a good idea, it looks amazing, but just look at the maths over here. It's not hard. If I had some fucking money to start a prop firm up, I fucking would. Holy shit. It's a fucking win-win. Yeah, I mean, it's fine. It's also rinsing people, but you know, that's trading. You know, you can look at the stats of if you're gonna win or not. They're highly against you, and that's why you have to have a set of rules that you have to stick to, just like I do. So, yeah. Beautiful, beautiful. So, talking about trading again. Looks like gold has made support over here, which is tasty. GJ is coming down over here. 3 minutes time for the hourly to close. For me, there is no confirmation to get some more sales over here, and we are still stuck in this little range over here, which is completely fine. I'm happy to stick in this range until NY. That does not bother me. Bro, what do you do with people who are permanently profitable over months? What do you mean? What do you do? But what do you do with people who are permanently profitable over months? You pay them out. You pay them out nicely, and you get a profit of their profits. And you know, you use a slight fraction, 10%, 5% of your net profit to pay them out from the fucking 1%, 2%, 3% that passed everything. Yeah, it's not hard. And that was in a 10,000 people, you know, thing. These people, for FTMO probably has hundreds of thousands. You know, they could happily pay out someone 100k. We just made fucking 3 mil. And we get 8%, 20% of the profits what it was before. You know, mad. Yeah, look, only 8% pass FTMO, which is true. Yeah, probably about 8%. So I gave the benefit of the doubt that 30% fail. Now, in the real life, 92% fail. Sorry, not 30% fail. 70% fail. 92%, bro. Their profit margins are huge. Yeah, paying out is marketing, bro. Paying out, they just fucking do a video on YouTube. Everyone's like, oh shit. Boy, don't you get it? What if the losers don't come at some point? No new challenge fees come in. How are the winners paid? Bro, there's always losers. There's always losers. There's always losers. I would love to look at their financial statements. Wait, let's see if they're. Oh, it's a different country, and I don't even know how it works. FTMO company houses. Is it French? Do 2013. To be fair, this might not even be FTMO. Looks like it though. Mad. Yeah, I think you're making things like, you know, probabilities and data is everything in life. Okay, so for example, if you're a business and you sell clothes, okay, you know that you're gonna get, you know, you have to count. I mean, in like finance at uni, you learn that, you know, companies have to keep a section of their profits, or keep a section of their profits to people who refund, or people who get refunded, people who try and say it's a faulty item, people who try and do this, and it's normally around about 5%. Okay, so you always, normally a company takes 5%. Okay, yes, in some realistic world, 100% could do this, and then you'll be fucked in the ass. But you're looking at probabilities over here. It doesn't happen. Same with this. You know, 100% of people who start FTMO are not going to pass. I'm fucking telling you. They would have done it all. They would have done, what's the worst case scenario? Like, what is, like, you know, if everyone has a really good month, and they'll still make money. I'm telling you. And yeah. And you know, obviously they've just changed it from 80-20% profit split to 90-10. You know, they've obviously gone look at their books like, fucking hell, we're making P's over here. We can make it even more attractive and make it to 90-10 because we still don't give a fuck. We still make loads of money. And probably mean more people will join. Mad thing. Anyone that's consistently profitable and sizable will be sent to the real market. Yeah. So look at this. Gold is making support here, quite interesting. Had a 15-minute bearish, which is a bit annoying, but salary play on gold here could be quite interesting. Then continue and fill this range. 23 pips, nice. GPS doing it not the best. GJ is chalked, man. Look at this. Inspect nations trading. All these marketers are promoting them. Yeah, I know, because it's Daniel Savage's. That's what he is. He's a marketer. Come on, man. Use your brain. They're marketers. It could be good, but it'll be the same thing as FTMO, man. I advise people just trying to stick to their own funds. Because what I say here is, right, if you can afford to buy a challenge, which is like 300, 400 euros or whatever, you can afford to have a £400 account. Just fucking trade it. So look at this hourly, man. So beautiful. I mean, the recap today is definitely 100%, you know, waiting for bottom wick over here. Beautiful. Very, very important over here. And, you know, this is a big learning curve for people to learn. You know, even though we did exceed the high, you know, this happened, what, in the first minute of the candle? Let's take a look. Yeah, first minute. People would have taken buys over here. And yeah, let's just get rid of this. You can see my parameters are nice. Like when we were at this zone, I was like, if we start flipping, it's going to be very, very tasty. But wouldn't it be better to use a funded account money to fund your own account? Yeah, that's what I did. Very, very true. But you have to be profitable to first do that. Yeah. I'm actually thinking about people who are in the mentorship doing a giveaway like once every 2 weeks or once every month. That'll be pretty fun. Like a giveaway. I might, you know, give away something pretty fire. So that'll be pretty cool. Start off lightly, you know. I'll probably do like 10% of the profits I make, and then, you know, getting up and up. Like if you get more people in, bro, I could give away like iPads and shit. That would be sick. Also, for people in the mentorship and stuff, I'll never do discounts for, like, I'll never do a price decrease, so don't worry about that. That'll be sick though, innit? Like, yeah, I could do like every month I'll put you guys all into a hat, or I could just pick someone who's put in the most work, as in sent me charts, all that good stuff over here. That is because that's an incentive to guys. Send me charts, ask me questions. That's what I might do actually. And then we'll start off lightly. Maybe I'll give you like a voucher somewhere or an Amazon voucher or some shit. But then, you know, when a lot of people join, like if I get like 100 people in the group, then, you know, I could give away maybe you know, Apple Watch or AirPods or iPads. People should just care about them and just trade low. Stop with the IF spots and maybes. Yeah, man. Just keep it on. So it's a shame that we didn't really get much volume over here. Yeah, it's not the best. So the hourly closing. So it's been a choked session over here, guys. But we didn't take any trades. We didn't take any losses. And that's what we do every single day, you know. We don't take bad trades. I'll take a loss, but I won't take a bad loss, as in a bad trade. So I'm actually going to wrap it out over here, guys. I hope you enjoyed this stream. If you guys, before you leave, make sure to like the stream. Really helps me out. Bash that like button. And yeah, guys, I will see you in the next one. Peace out, guys. See you later, alligator. See you guys for NY as well for the mentorship. Peace out, guys. Thank you very, very much, guys. Peace out. Peace out. It's beautiful. Yeah, thank you very much, guys, for tuning in, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for the giveaway. Cool, wicked. Thank you, guys. See you later. Peace out.
See you later.
See you later, guys. Adios amigos.